Hello everyone, Embedded and Data Systems MCQ. The ARM core uses dash architecture. Option A RIC. ARM processor specifically designed for it to reduce size and power consumption. Option C is the correct answer. Both. ARM processor core is key component of 32-bit embedded system. RISC philosophy implemented with the four major design goals. Dash is a processing of instruction broken down to smaller unit. Option A pipeline. Register content. Option C address and data. Load and store instruction load and store instruction used to transfer the data between register and memory. The design rule allow RISC to be simpler. ARM mean advanced RISC machine. RISC mean reduced instruction set complex, reduced instruction set computer. CISC complex instruction set computer. RISC reduced instruction set computer. CISC complex instruction set computer. ARM advanced RISC machine. Dash is used to communicate between part of a device. Option A bus. Dash is used to connect peripheral. Option A PCI. ARM buses has two architecture level. Dash level covers electrical characteristic, physical level. Logical level governs communication between the processor and peripheral. Option B AMBME advanced microcontroller bus architecture. Option A cache is placed between main memory and core. Dash is used to speed up data transfer. Option A cache. DRAM does not require refreshing. Option B false. Two interrupt controller available in ARM processor. Option A 2. DRAM memory require refreshing. SRAM mean stable RAM. False. Application of ARM processor is all. Option D all of the above. Automotive, consumer, mobile. In ARM processor, data items are placed in dash file listed. Option A ARM instruction typically have option A2. ALU mean arithmetic logic unit. MAU mean multiply accumulator unit. General purpose register holds the option C data and address. Register is used to stack pointer. Option A R13. Dash register is called the link register. Option B R14. In ARM program, register has two types. Privileged mode allow the read and write. Non-privileged mode allow the read. In ARM, consider 4 processor mode. How many bank registers are available in ARM? Option A 20. The SPSR stores the mode of CPSR. Option B previous. Dash are used to stop specific interrupt. Option A interrupt mask. CPSR as option A2 interrupt mask bits. 2 interrupt levels available on ARM processor. Pipeline is a mechanism of RISC processor. Fetch is a process of loading instruction. Decode is used to identify the instruction to be executed. Option B decode. MMU mean memory management unit. MPU mean memory protection unit. Dash are used to extend the instruction set. Coprocessor. MMU is used to organize memory. Dash vector is used by external hardware to interrupt the normal execution interrupt. ARM instruction commonly take dash. Option C both. How is the nature of instruction? Size CSI, CISC processor. Option B variable. Data processing instruction manipulate data within. Option D alt. Arithmetic instruction used to add subtract of 32 bit. Logic instruction perform bitwise operator. Instruction are used to test the register. Compare. Compare instruction are used to test the register. Branch instruction changes the flow of execution. LDR instruction used to load word in register. STR instruction used to save a word or bit from a register. LDRB instruction used to load a byte in a register. STRB instruction used to save the byte from a register. Both instructions used to carry out of stack instruction. Operation remove by the data from the stack POP pop. Operation place the data on the stack push. SW1 is interrupt instruction software. SWAP instruction change the content of memory with the content of register. MRS instruction transfer the concept of CPSR instruction CPSR into the register file. MSR instruction transfer the content of register into the CPSR file. CP15 is the called system control coprocessor. THUMP higher code density. THUMP instruction is related to 32 bit. ASL is used for arithmetic shift. LSL is used for logical shift. Dash is used for logical shift left. LSR. CPM is used to compare 232 bit integer. CMM is used to compare negative 232 bit integer. AD microcontroller 7128 has 126K bytes flash memory. AD microcontroller 7128 has 8K byte of SRAM. AD microcontroller 7128 has ADC channel. Option B 10. The ARM7 core supports RISC. AD microcontroller 7128 has 28 pin. ADC consists of 10 single-ended input. The ARM7 core is 32 reduced instruction set computer. ARM support 5 type of exception. ARM 70 DMI has a total of 37 registers. ARM 70 DMI has total of 31 general purpose register. ARM 70 DMI has total of 6 status register. Thumb code usually uses more instruction for the same job. Option A. The 128K bytes flash EE are organized as 2 banks. The MMR spaces provided an interface between CPU and on-chip peripheral. IRQ is provided to service general purpose interrupt handling of internal and external event. FIQ is provided to service the data transfer or communication channel with low latency. Dash is used to make call operating system SWI. The minimum latency FIQ or IRQ interrupts is 5 cycles. 8K bytes of SRAM are available to the use harnessed 2K into 32 bit. The access time reading or writing MMR depends on the AMBA. The ARM 70 DMI is an ARM 7 core. 4 additional features. ARM 70 DMI T supports for the THUMP. The ARM70 DMI D supports debug. The ARM70 DMI M supports multiplies. ADC consists of 12-bit successive approximation converter. ADC can operate in 3 different modes. Fully differential mode for small and balanced signal. Single-ended mode issued for the any single-ended signals. Signal and continuous conversion modes can be initiated in software. ADC COM control register allow the programmer to enable the ADC peripheral. Option A. ADC CP refers to ADC channel selection register. Option A positive. ADC CN refers to ADC channel selection register. Option B negative. Dash register indicates ADC conversion. Result is ready. Option A status. ADC data result register. Hold the 12-bit ADC result. Dash register result resets all the ADC registers. Option A ADC result. The ADU C7128 contains a successive approximation ADC based on the capacitive TAC. The ADU C7128 provides an on-chip bandgap reference of dash volts. Option A 2.5 fetching instruction from SRAM takes 1 clock cycle. In ARM modes where instruction are 32 bits. Option A 2. The ADU C7128 integrates 32.768 kHz oscillator, a clock divider and PLL. The ADU C7128 integrates a 6-channel PWM interface. The ADU C7128 provides 28 general purpose I/O. The ADU C7128 contains 2 identical UART blocks. COM-XTX is 8-bit transmit register. COM-RX is 8-bit receive register. CMX EN1 is 8-bit network enabled register. COM ADR is 8-bit network address register. Option B read and write. The MISO pin is configured as input line in option A master mode. The MOSI pin is configured as an output line master mode. The master serial clock SCL is used to synchronize the data. Thanks for watching.